Thank you. The high one slows down the speed. There, he did it. Current speed too high. Slow down. Really good, huh? Wow, that's what I wanted to try. That everything I have activated is really working. That's great, huh? I really like the camera. Everything I have activated is awesome, and I love it. There are people who pay $5, $10, even $15,000 extra for a tech package in their car, often in their new car. The only thing I do is try to help you save money, believe me, because many of the cars I review these days don't have all the technology that's inside this camera. It's affordable. We're about to review it thoroughly. It works in any car from 2005 on. Just so you have an idea, that's what we're talking about. From a sedan to a pure luxury SUV, everything fits here. It's called Vantrue S1 Pro Max. Is a compact camera. It's a rainy day, which matters. This is the Jeep Willys 4xe, a semi-electric Jeep. I recorded it for the channel, but I'll install it here now, focusing on the rear camera. Since it's raining, I'll do the full installation. This Jeep is equipped, but lacks the camera technology, so I'll use this one instead. It was raining, so I dried the surface thoroughly before sticking it on. Now I run the extension cable inside to connect it to the system. Go ahead, but it's already connected. Ensure the 4K is readable and correct, as it can be inserted upside down. And you don't want that. Now I want to show you here. It started to rain hard. We have a really good rain. What happens? The camera is fully waterproof. Nothing better, so you can see that the water is falling right on it. We're in the rainy season here in Miami. This isn't going to stop working. What do you think? It's fantastic because, for example, where I live, it rains a lot, a whole lot. Another thing, what this camera does for you could save you thousands of dollars. It could even save your life, believe it or not. It's a small minimalist box that's very well presented. And when you open it, you find a barcode and the user manual if you want to have it. And to download the app, either from Google or Apple Store, one of the two, there's a small manual here. Here on the right-hand side, we have a box. From what I see, it's all very simple, very compact. Others come with rolls and rolls of cables and things. This one is very compact. Here I have the 110 connector that goes in the car. Okay, this is the cable. On the back we have a USB connector. There we can charge devices, phones, whatever we want to charge there. What we have here are the tools to hide the cable. Now, on this side, what do we have? It comes pretty compact. This is the camera that we're going to install. I'm sure on the back of the car, I'm going to remove the cover I have here. Installed in the front, this rear camera is 4K, and it says so right there on the front. IP67. I have more gadgets. So all this remains hidden, the installation. Well, what I want to show you is that I've already attached the camera I have in the back in its place. Now, what I haven't decided yet, where am I going to put this one? See, I could put it over there because I like it in that position, since that way people can see it too. They think twice before approaching the car, and I like that. I'm going to connect the rear camera here. And the other one I'm going to have is this connection, which will go from 12 volts upward. This is the connection I'll attach to the camera there. When I connected it, it showed as connected automatically. So I won't do it. This just turned on. Just look, buncher. I'm not going to do this 0 yet. I just want to see what I'm doing. With the secure digital card, I'm going to insert the card that she brought, the 128 gigabyte one. Here, this is where I put the card. Perfect. So now I'm going to put it here. I want it to stay right in the center. Perfect. So I'm going to move these cables out of the way. And of course, right here. Now, the main camera. Look how compact it is. There it is. It's so nice. Physical buttons, color screen. And this is the lens on the front. Magnetic mount, manual with accessories. I have this, which you put on the car so people know your car is protected. With the buncher camera, so people know. More instructions, even a little cloth to clean the camera lenses, all of that comes here. This is the long cable that runs front to back to provide the needed connection by touch. It's pretty solid. I don't feel any cheap plastic or anything like that. What does that mean? When you hit potholes, this won't come loose or fall off at all. This front camera has a 155-degree wide lens, the rear one as well. But this rear camera is water resistant. I have a car ready outside to start this installation on a rainy day like today. Besides that, it comes with a mobile lens in the front, which is a polarizing lens. If you want to use it, it's there. And it comes with a 128 gigabyte secure digital card. And here I have this connected, right? This camera is asking me for the language. The language is set to English, so I'm going to select it. Okay, my time is the same as New York time because I'm in the same time zone as New York. And the day, perfect. The date is set. I'll leave it in miles per hour, but you can pick kilometers per hour if you prefer. Now, I'll connect to Wi-Fi. Remember to format the card to start over. I'm going to set it so that once a month we start the card over again. Okay. It's formatting the card for the first time now. I already have an image from this camera, which is what I wanted to show you. Now, the next step is the Vantrue app. I've already downloaded it, registered, created a user and a password. The initial password is to activate and connect. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can change it later through the app, okay? We add it easily. Here, I'm already connected. Perfect, great, look, there it is. Wow, ha ha ha. Let's see what options I have here. I have the option to put across to see different modes. This is the rear camera that I just activated. I have the microphone, I just took a photo. It's recording, of course, the camera. Okay, and here I'm going to switch to the front camera. Okay, this is already giving me technical information here, and I just set it to horizontal. I open it here. Here I have the big image and the small image. I can switch from one to the other easily. This is my garage, shown from the back door. I'm about to take it out for a ride. Here we go. This too. For taxi drivers, Uber people are wonderful, huh? Because this isn't a 4K like those Chinese dash cams that interpolate. Here, it's a 4K that's dual. 30 frames per second on both cameras thanks to the Sony IMX678 sensors. Play pitch technology, which captures license plates, car technology, with clarity, even at night and at speed, and they do it in high dynamic range to avoid what's called overexposure. That's very important. Look at the quality. Now what I'm showing you, it's poor quality, almost everything is blurry, full of grain. And look at the quality of that camera, look at the quality of that camera, what do you think? It's incredible. From the front and from the back. Artificial intelligence, front assistance, frontal collision. It detects if you are getting too close and can prevent a crash. Pedestrian protection. It alerts you about pedestrians who are about to cross here, what is called lane departure. It warns if you leave your lane, alerts you when the car ahead moves while you're stopped, and tells you everything. Does it detect cars in your blind spot when you change lanes? As a driver, it monitors me to make sure I'm paying attention to the vehicles. Side vehicles, rear camera calibration successful. I'm not falling asleep or anything like that. It warns you if you're on your phone, detects inattention, and tracks everything. It's great. It connects to Wi-Fi for 100% faster, perfect for downloading videos. And with the app, we have total control. All the views are in real time. Download setup, optional long-term evolution module for connection, monitor motorcycle network, get instant alerts for incidents, electronic fences, and movement alerts if it leaves the area. We have 24/7 parking mode with night vision. It records 15 seconds before and 15 seconds after detecting movement and automatically locks the video in case of an impact. It saves it so you don't have to find it again. Storage saving modes. It records with low battery, saves space when there's movement, and in surveillance mode, it records at 1 frame per second. This card can record over 100 hours watch for vehicles on the side. Isn't that great? And best of all, you can get this complete package for less than $400. A new car only includes a 360 camera and nothing else. I just opened the app and the number of options I enabled is amazing. First, do I have all the artificial intelligence enabled so it notifies me about all of this? We were talking about assistance, about collision, whether someone gets close to me or moves away from me. I activated the parking assistance so it detects movement, so it detects collisions. You know that sometimes when people are parking, they bump your car, so it detects all of that, so it reads the license plates. I activated everything. This is amazing. I'm going to go into the market for a moment. I'm going to leave all of this running to see what happens because you never know. You see? Now we're really going to go out and drive at night. This works too. I mentioned it earlier with voice command. Check photo. There, it took a photo. Turn off Wi-Fi. There it's turning off the Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. There it's turning on the Wi-Fi. Let's go out for a ride so you can have the full experience. This is a fully featured camera. Look at the reverse quality with this car's camera. It's bad. And with that other camera, it's spectacularly good. You can really see the difference between the cameras. It's incredible. That's why I say if you buy a basic car and get a device like this adventure camera, you already have a system that does everything and saves thousands. Now here we are driving at night. From here I can see the quality. This has very good quality. Let's go out to the main avenue and see if it recognizes things out there too. I just turned off the Wi-Fi because I don't have the phone connected. I don't need it right now. I've set it to alert me if I exceed 60 miles per hour. Let's see if it tells me that I'm going too fast. That's good. Well, I'm going to tell you that down here again is the link El Quintal. Put this in your car and learn to use it well. You're going to be very happy with the quality of protection you get here because you never know. You never know. When you park and turn on parking mode, everything near your car is recorded if anything happens after you leave, right? Since the angle is very wide. This is the end of the night tour. I hope you like the quality of what you're seeing here because I think it's really good. And all the camera's features. I'm sure that after you spend some time with it, a week or 3 days, you'll be using all of them. If you like this video, they keep offering me a lot of products that all have to do with cars. I like some like 8, even if they're unrelated to cars. I make the video, you tell me, keep doing it, I'll keep doing it without any problem. Some videos are really interesting, like this one where the camera is different from the others. I have 4K cameras, front and back, night vision and more. Thanks for subscribing. We're still here.